it is visible.
Is
Is it screen is visible, ma'am?
Yeah.
Okay,
Okay,
what we
what
are
we are
discussing
discussing
in
in
the
the
last
last
class?
class?
Tabs.
Tableau count.
We
We
finished the
finished the
module
module
4
for
programming,
programming,
right?
right?
Yeah.
ma'am.
Yeah. So
So
after
after
that,
that,
we are
we're
just
just
going to
going to
start the
start the
classes
classes
and
and
methods.
methods.
Before
Before
that,
that,
we
we
discussed
discussed
what is
what
the
is the
difference
difference
between
between
the
the
reports and
reports
the
and the
module
module
4
full
programming
programming
that we
that we
discussed.
discussed.
Correct?
Correct?
Yeah.
Ma'am.
Today we
Today
are
we are
going to
going to
start
start
the
the
classes
classes
and
and
methods.
methods.
What
What
is
is
this
this
classes
classes
and
and
methods?
methods?
Classes
Classes
and
and
methods
methods
are
comes
comes under
under
modularization
modularization
technique.
technique.
Okay.
Okay.
So
So
we
we
have
have
modularization
modularization
techniques.
techniques.
We
We
already
already
know
know
that.
that.
We
We
learn
learn
few.
few.
So
So
what is that? We
We
learn
learn
the
the
subroutines.
subroutines.
We
We
learn the
learn the
function
function
modules.
modules.
Correct?
Correct?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Include
Include
programs
programs
also.
also.
Where
Where
in all the modularization
modularization
techniques,
techniques,
you'll
you'll
have
have
the
the
definition
definition
part
part
and
and
the
the
calling
calling
part.
part.
Two
Two
parts will
parts
be
will
there.
be there.
Okay.
Okay.
Same
Same
here
here
also
also
in
in
classes and
classes and
methods
methods
also
also.
we
We
have two
have two
parts.
parts.
What is
What is
that?
that?
Definition
Definition
part and
part and
calling
calling
part.
part.
Where we
Where
are
we are
going to
going to
define.
define.
While
While
defining, we
defining, we
have
have
two types
types
of
of
defining
defining
of
of
class.
class.
One is
One is
called
called
local,
local.
one is
One is
called
called
global.
global.
What
What
is
is
local
local
class?
class?
Means
Means
inside
inside
the
the
SE38
SE38
program
program
itself
itself
we are
we are
going to
going to
create,
create,
and
and
that
that
will be
will be
used
used
only in
only in
that
that
program
program
only.
only.
That is
That is
called
called
local
local
class.
class.
So for
So for
that
that
syntax is
syntax is
that
that
how
how
to
to
declare
declare
we
we
will
will
see
see
that.
that.
Then
Then
what is
what
the
is the
global
global
class?
class?
In
In
SE24
SE24
transaction
transaction,
we are
we are
going to
going to
create a
create a
class.
class.
Sorry.
Sorry.
That
That
class
class
is
is
called
called
global
global
class,
class,
which
which
is
is
we are
we are
creating
creating
in
in
SE24
SE24
and
and
which
which
can
can
be
be
used
used
in
in
anywhere.
anywhere.
Wherever
Wherever
you
you
want,
want,
we
you
can
can
reuse
reuse
that.
that.
So
So
that is
that
the
is the
use
use
of
of
global
global
class.
class.
So
So
then
then
how we
how
are
we are
going to
going to
call
call
it?
it?
So
So
normally
normally,
if it
if
is
it is
include
include
program
program
name we
name
are
we are
calling.
calling.
Subroutines
Subroutines
means
means
perform
perform
subroutine
subroutine
name we
name
are
we are
calling.
calling.
Function
Function
module
module
means
means
call
call
function
function
module we
module
are
we are
calling.
calling.
Here
Here
also
also
calling
calling
part will
part
be
will be
there.
there.
How you
How
are
you are
going to
going to
call?
call?
If you
If you
want to
want to
call
call
the
the
methods,
methods,
you
you
have
have
that
that
three
three
steps to
steps to
follow.
follow.
First
First
one
one
is
is
refer the
refer the
class.
class.
Second
Second
one
one
is
is
create the
create the
object.
object.
Third
Third
one
one
is
is
call
call
the
the
method.
method.
So
So
these
these
are
are
the
the
three
three
steps
steps
are
are
there
there
to
to
call
call
the
the
method.
method.
One
One
second.
second.
Okay,
Okay,
fine.
fine.
So
So
this
this
is
is
definition
definition
part,
part,
this is
this is
calling
calling
part,
part,
that and all fine. But what is
what
a
is a
class?
class?
Class
Class
is
is
just
just
like
like
a
a
template.
template.
I
I
said
said
in the
in the
yesterday's
yesterday's
class
class
also.
also.
Here we have
We are
connecting
connecting
and
and you people are
we
we
people
people
are
are
discussing
discussing
about
about
the
the
ABAP.
ABAP.
So
So
it is
it is
ABAP
ABAP
class.
class.
If the
If the
same
same
discussing
discussing
about
about
some
some
other
other
concept,
concept,
then
then
it is
it is
called
called
that
that
class.
class. So class is just like a template.
It
It doesn't have any physical properties. Based on filling the values, it's going to differ. So this is about the class. What is a class? Class is nothing but collection of methods. What is this methods? Methods is the place where we can write the code.
For
For example, if you see include where you are writing in type E, type I program, you are writing the code. That is include program.
If you
If you see in the subroutine in between the form and form, I'm writing the code. Correct? So that is subroutines.
And
In function modules where you are writing the code
in
between the form and form.
Correct? So,
So
same
like that, here in the classes and methods, we are going to write the code in between method and method. Okay. So how to define these methods, how to write the code, we'll see step by step.
But
Method is the place where we can write the code.
We
We
have
have
method and method
where we can write the code,
and
and
I
I
created a class. In
In
that
that
I have two methods,
methods,
method
method
1
1
and
and
method
method
2.
2. Sorry.
I
I
want to
want to call
these
these methods as written inside that code.
Method 1 and method. I want to call those methods. How to?
First you need to refer the class.
I'm
I'm
using one name
and I'm referring to that class. After that, creating object means I'm creating a memory for this object. When I created the memory, whatever classes I referred in that methods, it will create the memory.
Now
Now
I'm going to call
these methods through the object. Okay, these are the 3 steps we'll follow.
So
So don't worry, we'll see practically so that you can understand better how to going to follow it on.
And then
Then
we'll
see how to create that so that we can discuss more. Sorry, I have full cold, so
some disturbance will be there.
SC24 is the class.
Okay.
Okay,
So,
so
where
where we can create the class. Just give the class name Z22
demo.
already there. Your batch is 22 on it.
Yeah, ma'am.
Demo 1
One
I'm
I'm
just taken.
taken.
Click
Click
on
on
create.
create.
Class or
interface
interface
it is asking.
What
What is my
my
interface? We'll see little bit later.
Now we are going to create class only. Click on continue. Give
Give
the description. For what purpose? Demo purpose I'm just choosing. In
In
that
that
instantiation,
instantiation, if you see here, what is this instantiation?
It
It
says
says
how
how
we
we
can
can
allow
allow this
class.
class.
What
What do you mean by allowing? Means,
for
for
example,
example,
if
if
I'm
I'm
creating
creating
the
the
class,
class,
what
what
I
I can do,
the
the main intention of moderation techniques are reusability and readability.
So,
So
here,
here,
how
how
can
can
I
I
reuse
reuse this class? Means
I
I
can
can
copy,
copy,
not
not
only
only use what is this class.
I'll just
Show you.
What
What I can do, I can
copy
copy these classes into child classes,
and
and
then
then I can add extra in that,
and
and I can call it in the program
by
by
creating
creating
the
the
object
object and
it
it lets. So that instantiation says how your class should react. In that we have public, private, protected, abstract.
So
So
what are
all
these things?
Public
Public
means
means
I can copy into the child classes.
You
You can see.
Public
Public
means
means
I can copy into the child
classes.
classes. I
I
can
can
create
create
object
object
and
and
call
call
them
them
methods.
methods.
Both
Both
are
are
possible.
possible.
That is
That is
called
called
public.
public.
Then
Then
we have protected.
Yes.
You
You
can copy just into the child classes, but you can't create object for that. That is called protected. Then
Then
we
we
have
have
private.
private.
You
You
can't
can't
copy
copy
into the child classes. You can't create object for this.
That is private.
Then
Then
what is abstract?
So
So
abstract,
same.
you can copy into the child class, but you can't create object.
But
But it is showing like protected only, right? Then what is the difference between protected and abstract? Means
in
in protected you are copying only into the child classes. Here also same, but abstract is a class where at least one method should be abstract method. What is this abstract method? Means the method which is empty.
You
You
can't
can't write any code inside that. Then what is the use of that? We'll see this in future. Okay, but abstract class is a class where at least one method must should be abstract method, empty method. But in protected there is no rule. You can keep all the methods implemented methods. That is the difference between protected and abstract. So these are the visibilities of the class. You can see, you can choose public, private, protected, abstract. I'm choosing public. Then
we
we have
usual
ABAP
ABAP
class,
exception
exception
class,
class, resistance class, and test class.
So
So what is this? Means usual ABAP class.
The
The class, what do you mean to say? The class which I am creating for my requirement. That class is called usual ABAP class.
Then
we have exception class. What is this exception class? So exception class is used for to raise the messages above.
In
In
our
our
ABAP,
ABAP,
we
we
have
have message class concept that we are going to discuss after OOLV. Okay, we have message class concept where you can keep all the messages and we can reuse and you can call those messages.
And
Same
same
like that, exception class also the class where you want to raise the messages.
Then
Then in
ABAP
ABAP we have message class that where we are
using
using
this
this
exception
exception
class.
class.
Means
The exception class is used in web groups. What is this web groups?
Web
Web pages designing is called web groups. So what is this web group? Why, how you are going to create the web pages? Why you need to create the web pages? Normally in the last class we learn about the module program. Correct?
Yes
Yes
or
or
no?
no?
Yes.
We
We
create a transaction for that.
We designed our own screen. We created transaction code. Correct?
Yeah.
If
If I want to use that transaction code,
what
should I have? I should have my laptop.
In
In my laptop,
login
login
pad
pad
must
must
should be
be
there.
there. Install login pad. See if I'm having login pad.
Sorry?
Sorry? Someone is saying something?
Any
Any
questions?
questions? It's
It's
okay,
okay,
Sarita.
Sarita.
Okay.
Okay.
Uh,
Uh,
what we
what
are
we are
discussing?
discussing,
Module
module
code
code
programming,
programming,
which will
which
be
will be
having the
having the
transaction
transaction
code.
code.
If you
If you
want to
want to
call
call
that
that
module
module
code
code
programming
programming
screen,
screen,
you
you
need
need
a
a
logon
logon
pad
pad
in
in
our
our
desktop.
desktop.
Once you
Once you
log
log
on,
on,
give the
give the
transaction
transaction
code,
code,
then
then
it will
it will
show the
show the
screen,
screen.
and
And
then you
then you
can
can
perform the
perform the
action.
action.
So
So
that
that
is
is
the
the
normal
normal
process
process
how we
how
are
we are
going to
going to
use it.
use it.
But
But
what the
what the
user is
user is
saying
saying
that
that
always I
always I
can
can
carry
carry
my
my
laptop
laptop
only.
only.
There
There
is
is
no
no
logon
logon
pad in
pad in
another
another
laptops.
laptops.
I
I
want to,
want to,
but
but
still
still
I
I
have
have
access to
access to
the
the
Google.
Google.
I
I
want to
want to
access
access
that
that
transaction
transaction
codes.
codes.
It
It
is
is
not
not
possible.
possible.
If you
If you
want
want
module
module
code
code
programming,
programming
compulsory
compulsory
with the
with the
logon
logon
pad
pad
only you
only
need
you
to
need to
log
log
on,
on,
and
and
then you
then
need to
you need
give
to
the
give the
T
T
code,
code,
and
and
then
then
you
you
need
need
to
to.
do it. But
But
if you
if
are
you are
not
not
following
following
that,
that,
it is
it is
not
not
going to
going to
work.
work.
But
But
what
what
he's
he's
asking, I
asking, I
want a
want a
web
web
page
page
so
so
that I
that I
can do
can do
it.
it.
I
I
can't
can't
always
always
install
install
SAP
SAP
GUI in
GUI
my
in my
system.
system.
Then
Then
what we
what we
can
can
do?
do?
At
At
that
that
time,
time,
they
they
come
came
up
up
with
with
the
the
WebDAN
WebDAN
Pro,
Pro,
web
web
pages
pages
designing.
designing.
So in
So in
SCAT
SCAT
only,
only,
how we
how
are
we are
designed
designed
like
like
module
module
code
code
programming,
programming,
they're
they're
going to
going to
design the
design the
WebDAN
WebDAN
Pro
Pro
screens.
screens.
Once they
Once they
designed,
designed,
when they
when they
save
save
and
and
activate,
activate,
it
it
generates a
generates a
URL.
URL.
So
So
that
that
URL will
URL
be
will be
given to
given
the
to the
user
user
so
so
that
that
no
no
need
need
of
of
logging
logging
into the
into the
logon
logon
pad.
pad.
They
They
can
can
directly
directly
go
go
internet
internet
and they
and they
can
can
view
view
that
that
link.
link.
It will
It will
be
be
that
that
screen
screen
will be
will be
accessed.
accessed.
That is
That is
called
called
WebDAN
WebDAN
Pro,
Pro,
web
web
pages
pages
designing
designing
with
with
all.
all.
What is
What is
there
there
inside
inside
that?
that?
Almost
Almost
all
all
classes
classes
and
and
methods
methods
only
only
will be
will
there.
be there.
Inside the
Inside the
classes and
classes and
methods,
methods,
what
what
code you are
code you are
going to
going to
write?
write?
Again, the
Again, the
core
core
ABAP
ABAP
code
code
only.
only.
So
So
the
the
core
core
ABAP
ABAP
code
code
is
is
not at
not
all
at all
going to
going to
change.
change.
Only
Only
instead
instead
of
of
writing
writing
with
with
the
the
normal
normal
SC38
SC38
programs, you're
programs, you're
going to
going to
create
create
SC80.
SC80.
Under
Under
that,
that,
you're
you're
going
going
to
to
write the
write the
same
same
code
code
under
under
the
the
classes and
classes and
methods.
methods.
That's the
That's the
only
only
difference.
difference.
So
So
that is
that is
called
called
WebDAN
WebDAN
Pro.
Pro.
In the
In the
WebDAN
WebDAN
Pro,
Pro,
so
so
like in
like in
our
our
core
core
ABAP, we
ABAP, we
have
have
message
message
class
class
concept.
concept.
In
In
WebDAN
WebDAN
Pro,
Pro,
if they
if they
want to
want to
raise
raise
any
any
messages,
messages,
they're
they're
going to
going to
use
use
exception
exception
class.
class.
Usual
Usual
ABAP
ABAP
class,
class,
the
the
class
class
which we
which
are
we are
using.
using.
Exception
Exception
class
class
is the
is the
class
class
where
where
we
we
want to
want to
raise
raise
the
the
messages.
messages.
Next,
Next,
we
we
have
have
persistence
persistence
class.
class.
Normally, we
Normally,
are
we are
going to
going
do
to
the
do the
DML
DML
operations
operations
for
for
any
any
custom
custom
table.
table.
DML
DML
operations
operations
means
means
insert,
insert,
update,
update,
modify,
modify,
delete.
delete.
We
We
learn
learn
already in
already in
the
the
previous
previous
classes.
classes.
Whenever we
Whenever
are
we are
using the
using the
DML
DML
operations,
operations,
they're
they're
going to
going to
create
create
that
that
persistence
persistence
class.
class.
Okay,
Okay,
and
and
then
then
test
test
class.
class.
So I
So I
don't
don't
want to
want to
run
run
entire
entire
program
program
at
at
just
just
end to
end to
end.
end.
So
So
I
I
written
written
only
only
some
some
logic,
logic
which is
which
in
is
the
in the
processing
processing
logic,
logic,
how
how
only
only
that
that
piece of
piece of
code is
code is
working. We
working. We
want to
want to
test it.
test it.
So at
So at
that
that
time,
time,
they're
they're
going to
going to
create the
create the
test
test
classes
classes
so
so
that
that
it's
it's
going
going
to
to
run
run
only
only
that
that
piece of
piece of
code,
code
and
and
they can check
check
that
that
whether
whether
it
it
is
is
working
working
or
or
not.
not.
So
So
these are
these
the
are the
types of
types of
classes.
classes.
As a
As a
ABAPer, you
ABAPer,
are
you are
going to
going to
create
create
always
always
usual
usual
ABAP
ABAP
class
class
only.
only.
Okay,
Okay,
so
so
you
you
can
can
just
just
see
see
that
that
usual
usual
ABAP
ABAP
class.
class.
And
And
here we
here we
have
have
a
a
mark
mark
called
called
final.
final.
What is
What is
that
the
final?
final?
Normally,
Normally,
just
just
now I
now I
said
said
we
we
have the
have the
visibility.
visibility.
Public,
Public,
you
you
can
can
copy
copy
into the
into the
child
child
class.
class.
Protected, you
Protected,
can
you can
copy
copy
into
into
the
the
child
child
class.
class.
Even
Even
though
though
public
public
can
can
protect, protected. If I marked as final, then you can't copy into the child class. Means that is the final class. No derivation for the next classes. Okay. I'm not checking because I want to copy and see. Then click on save. Connection over. 4. Is the class Z22
Z22
demo
demo
class
class
only
only
creating
creating
just for
for
demo.
demo.
So
So
here
here
I
I
choose
chose
public
public
and
and
it
it
is
is
not
not
final.
final.
Click on save
Say
local
local
object.
object.
So it's
So it's
got
got
created.
created.
Don't
Don't
see
see
all the
all the
tabs
tabs
and
and
hurry.
hurry.
First
First
we'll
we'll
discuss
discuss
about the
about the
methods,
methods,
then
then
we'll
we'll
see
see
one
one
by
by
one.
one.
So
So
in
in
the
the
I'm
I'm
just
just
activating
activating
this
this
first,
first,
and
and
then
then
we
we
saw
saw
the
the
moderation
moderation
tech,
tech,
an
an
example
example
on
of
this,
this,
correct?
correct?
So
So
what
what
is
is
that?
that
Z22
Z22
MK
MK
moderation
moderation
technique.
technique?
So
So
we'll
we'll
see the
see the
same
same
example
example
now
now
with the
with the
class
class
and
and
methods.
methods.
We
We
saw the
saw the
same
same
example
example
with
with
the
the
subroutines,
subroutines,
function
function
modules.
modules.
Now
Now
we are
we are
going to
going to
see
see
with the
with the
classes
classes
and
and
methods.
methods.
One
One
second,
second,
ma.
ma.
Ah,
Ah,
Hello. Sorry for that. Audible? Audible?
Yeah.
Yeah. So what we are discussing about the same, right? I'll just copy paste it. Or server gone. I will log in. Same, we have the same repetition of names. We know that we use it the same for uh, subroutines, correct? Function modules. Now we are going to see the class methods. Slash C 24 Z22 demo 1 change because which I created already method. Names is the method and the visibility. Hey, what is this visibility of public private protected again? Means we saw the visibility of class, whether I can copy or not, whether I can create an object or not. But inside the class for the method visibility also we are saying that. So what is that method visibility? Yeah, even though your class is having the public, but inside the methods is public protected private. Means now when I'm copying into which one will be copied, public and protected will be copied. When creating the object, which method we can call? So public method only we can call. The same visibility applies for the methods also. Now we are going to choose that as public. And we have the level where we have the instance and static. Instance means no memory, we have to create the memory. Static means which is already having a memory. So we see that. Description, student names. Now you can select it and click on that code button or double click on the method. It will take you to the method and method names. Now inside that, I'm just copying that method, whatever you want, the names, activate it, come back and activate. So this is how we are created the class. Now we need to replace this. How to? So whenever you want to call the method, you have to follow 3 steps. First one is referring to the object data, obj any name, type F2, Z22 demo 1. So this is my class. And wherever the names are calling, before that first one is referring, then create the object. Create object obj, which creates the memory. Now I'm going to call the methods by using object. How to call? Call method, object name obj, and the method name names. So like this we are going to call. So creating, referring and creating object is one time requirement. Calling will be how many times you want, you can just call it. You can activate it. Now you can run this. Yes, you got the same output. Now what I want to see in the debugging mode. So I can't keep the breakpoint for declarations. You can see, run it. You can see object is empty. Up to now I have not created any object. When I create the object, it refers to the class. In that class, whatever methods are there, it will copy and create the memory. Now, when I'm calling the method, you can see it will take you to that class where that Z22 demo and names is the method. You can see it will go to the method and run the piece of code and comes back. Same like that perform is calling permanent form. Call function is calling function and function. Call method is calling method and method. Clear? It will come back. Same, you don't want to go inside F6 and you went inside but you don't want to see all the statements. F7, everything is same. So this is how you're going to call the method.
So create the class and then create the method and then call the method. Is it clear? Any doubts up to here?
No.
Okay.
Okay. So the visibility of the method is public private protected, means even though class is public, inside the method visibility it will check. And instance means no memory. You need to refer the class, create the object and then call.
In
In that we have static also. What is that? For example, I am creating method 1, which is static method I'll take. Static method means which is having memory already in. Same public method I am just taking. Public and static. For this you can see no need of creating the object and all. Double click on the method or click on code button, it will take you to the method and you can use. I'm just showing write statements only. A little bit later I'll show you the parameters. Activate it, come back, activate the class. Now you can see we created already object. Correct? So I can call with the object also. Call method. Okay, obj arrow m1. Like this I can call the method. Even though it is static, I already created the memory. I can just call like that. Execute. If it, you can see object which is going to the method and comes back. Or if you see, I'm just commenting out this. I'm not referring creating the object, all those things. Directly I can call the static method. How to call? Call method Z22 demo1 and double arrow the names. So this is how, sorry, not names, M1, right? M1 is the static method. So directly with the class name, method name I can call, because it's going to have the memory already. No need of creating the object. Directly I can call. Same I'll call with the names also. Z22 demo1, which is double arrow names. Is it allows? It's an instance method. It doesn't have any memory to refer like this. Edit. You can see you can use only class double arrow method with the static methods. This is not a static method. It's an instance method. No memory. You can't call like this. Maybe I can call single arrow. But still, you can see. So it is unknown. So this names is unknown because it doesn't have any static method for this. This is the instance method. If you want to call the instance method, compulsory you have to follow these steps. Refer the class, create the object and call the method to the object. And if you want static method, directly get a call with the class name, double arrow the method name. Got it, ma? What is the difference between static and the instance?
Yeah, ma'am.
Yeah. And then so how to copy from superclass to child class, I'll show you. Before that, I'm creating two more methods, protected and private also. So I'm just choosing the instance. And it should be protected. Instance and protected. So copy this. I'm simple write statements only showing up to now. We'll see little bit later the parameters how will pass. Come back. Then I'm creating one more method, which is instance and then private instance and private
and
activate.
done.
Done. So I want to copy this, means we are not going to say copy, we are going to say that inheriting that class from one class to another class, copying from one class to another class only, but we'll call the use the terminology called inheriting. So what I want to copy all these methods and I want to add extra piece of code. I don't want to disturb this class. So I'm just going to do how to do that. /o SC24 Z22 demo2, click on create class only, demo only. I'm choosing public only but final. Click on save, local object. Now go to the properties and use the superclass name. From which class you are copying, that is called superclass, into which class you are calling, that is called subclass. Superclass also called as parent class, and this class is can also called as child class. Z22 demo 1. Just enter and activate. You can see in that what all methods are there. Names method is there, which is public copied. M1 method is there, which is public copied. M2 method, which is protected copied. M3 method, which is private. So privates are not inherited into the child classes. Clear? This is called inheritance. Getting the properties from superclass to child class is called the inheritance. Okay, what is the use of this? For example, I want to add one more name extra. If I am going to add that in the superclass, it will be somewhere else the program already used. It's going to disturb all the places. I don't want to. But I want to add extra name along with the existing name. So I copied into the child class. Then if I am double clicking on the method, it will take you to the superclass and shows. So you should not touch superclass. Then what to do? Select the method and click on redefine button. You can see it's going to call the method. Super keyword refers to the same class. Okay, superclass which you are called. Right slash Usha. I'm just adding my name extra along with that. Activate it and then come back and activate it. Now I'm going to call this. How to call this? It's an instance method. Instance method means what are all steps you need to follow. First, refer the class, data obj, any name, type ref2, Z22, demo2. So this is how we'll refer. Then call, create object. Create object is the keyword. Instance name will give it. Then call method. Call method obj arrow the names. So like this I'm just calling. Activate it and then I'm running. It's showing the values. I want to keep the breakpoint and see how it is going. See first where it went to my program ended. Okay, that is the one. Create object. It's going to create the object. Now you can see in that we are just calling the method. Which method? In Z2 demo2 names method I'm calling. In that call method super keyword refers to the superclass. If you see it went to the superclass to demo1. In that names method, it's triggered that piece of code and comes back and then we are going to get it. So names is the method which is common with the demo1 and demo2. How you are going to refer based on the class. Okay. So when it is called inside the class, it will go. This is how you're going to redefine the method and add extra piece of code.
So instant and static, that is also explained. Yeah, variables that need to be explained. So I'll explain little bit later about the variables. Up to here I explained. I just want to recap. I just created a class. Class visibility is there. Public, private, protected like that. And abstract. And then we have the methods where we can write the code. For the methods also you have the visibility. Public, private, protected and all. And we have the level instance and static. Instance means which is going to have, doesn't have any memory. You need to create the object and call the methods. At static means which is already having the memory. You can call directly class name double arrow the method name. Clear, ma? And you can inherit the methods from superclass to child class. Once you inherit the methods, you need to redefine the methods to write the code. So this is what we learned today. So in the next class, we are going to see how to pass the variables and the remaining options we are going to see. Okay, ma?
Okay.
Up
To hear any questions?
No.
Okay. Thank you. Have a good day. Happy Sankranti.
Wish you the same, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you.